a little paint and some Bondo, he'll be back to crashing in no time. Except, he fled the scene on foot and disappeared. Some people's driving is more useless than a turd in a root beer float. Like this guy in the black truck about to cause a nasty crash. The camera and driver in front of him both have dash cams and are traveling together. Now let's watch all hell break loose.
Whoa, 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 oh my God, horrible crash,
Whoa.
Horrible crash, watch out.
Oh my.
Horrible crash. Oh my God, that guy did not slow down.
And now we get a closer look of the crash from the lead car's perspective.
Whoa, 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 oh my God, horrible crash, watch out. Horrible crash. Oh my God. That guy did not slow down. Oh, holy shit. Oh, gonna call 911.
All involved were okay, and the cameras gave their info to police. Willy Wanker and the dipshit factory keep cranking out more idiots. Not only does Captain Crunched run his red light, but even steers right toward the van he hits. The camera told me that this boozy doozy had been driving very erratically just prior to this. I presume contact was made because they both pulled over. This clip was submitted to us by a local viewer who was in this vehicle in front of the camera. There were no fatalities, but a more detailed update will come at a later time. Let me introduce you to Rex Cars. Not such a fine fellow, enjoys taking a steering wheel to the face, and then fleeing the scene. But let's not open up that can of worms. Oopsie poopsie. It seems that too many people are getting their licenses from a cereal box. I'm a kid, and I want my license.
The good-for-you cereal kids think is just plain good.
And a reliable and consistent source of driver's licenses where you too can be exempt from common sense. This is our unfortunate victim. And this is Crackhead Kathy's sister, Spacey Stacy, who never got the memo about following too closely on slippery roads.
Are you okay? Oh my God. Oh shit!
Well, that just happened.
Oh my God! Oh crap.
Oh my God, wow. Yep. Jeez, I didn't know what that was at first.
It's amazing how in life, one moment everything is great, and the next moment your life gets totally disrupted. This is the kid who causes the wreck. Whoa! Oh, fuck. And now for the front view. Whoa! Oh, fuck. The kid who caused the crash is so shaken up, he blindly swings his door open into traffic and nearly causes another incident.
paid by insurance?
More than likely.
Fuck, man, I'm so sorry.
It's all right. Well, guys, as if one rear ending wasn't enough, we gotta go for two. Someone recently asked me, what the heck have you been eating that everybody wants to rear end you by smelling your farts? Why, do they smell good? Awesome. All right, you're about to see me get goosed. Fuck! Just got rear-ended again. Well, the hit wasn't as hard as last time, but let's see what her excuse is. She told me that her foot got caught on the pedal and that she couldn't hit the brake. Let's go back and look at the footage closely and see how believable her story is. Okay, there is a bit of water on the glass, but you can see just enough that right here, both her hands leave the steering wheel and disappear behind her visor. Her hands stay behind the visor until the impact. Now watch both her hands come back down during the impact. Sure looks to me like she was putting on makeup or playing with her hair. There was no damage to either of our cars other than a light scuff mark. She was very pleasant and cooperative in exchanging information, but very well looks like she lied. Her insurance agent saw the video, but denied seeing her customer's hands leaving the wheel, and neither of us filed a claim. What do gas stations and hookers have in common? They both require you to pay before you pump. Well, she certainly paid and pumped, but forgot one little detail. And now she and her father have something in common. Neither one pulled out. The bumper of this truck is about to spend some quality time making out with the rear bumper of the camera car.
Love is in the air.
I thought spring was mating season. Wait, are you coming on to me?
That's why that's why in this parking lot you can't back up like that, because that shit happens.
Whoa. Jesus. Oh! Nice. Oh, look at that! Look at this!
I lived in Branford during
Mother.
my first year of high school. So I was 15. I was too
Look at
young
this idiot!
for school lifeguard. So I was like a top of
Oh my. That was contact. You guys have pull over?
Holy fucking shit!
There's a bit of road rage going on here that leads to bumping another car. This kid in the dark car is taking forever, and the guy in this white pickup is yelling at him. The kid flips him off, and is too busy yelling back to pay attention to what he's doing, and he bumps the car.
Oh! Oh, wow.
This Dodge Ram driver is hankering for a T-bone.
OnStar emergency.
Lightly seasoned, with a few shards of glass, flavored with a little coolant smoke from the grill, and served with some plastic trim on the side. Not my first choice for a T-bone. In all seriousness, the camera did sustain some injuries.
Is anyone hurt?
Yeah, I burned my arm on the airbag.
Here's what he had to say about it in the aftermath of the crash. Crazy Christopher Cretin forgets that he's not Mario Andretti.
Influenced by Shark Week, unfortunately they found that Shark Week's programming focuses on negative portrayals of sharks.
It's amazing how fast things can spin out of control. The oncoming drivers are headed downhill on a wet mountain road, but Slippery Steve gets around like a record. This is where his back end breaks loose.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh my God!
This was clearly a turning point in his life. Also, this is the same highway where I had my spin out, and not very far from this spot. And now a trio of bumper-loving butt sniffers, all captured within a relatively short time span by the same camera.
Oh, shit! Oh! Crash! What the fuck?
These wannabe porn stars can only see 6 inches in front of them. Alright guys, there's a lot more exciting content to come, so be sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, drop a comment below, give us a thumbs up and share. Also, check out some of our other videos. Thank you for watching.